上，上，
up, above, on,
up, above,
on,
桌子上，桌子上，
on the desk, on the table,
on the desk, on the table.
我的书呢？我的书呢？
where's my book,
Where's my book?
在桌子上，在桌子上，
on the desk,
On the desk.
你的书在桌子上，你的书在桌子上，
your book is on the desk,
Your book is on the desk.
桌子上有什么？桌子上有什么？
what is there on the desk,
What is there on the desk?
桌子上有一杯茶，桌子上有一杯茶，
there is a cup of tea on the desk,
There is a cup of tea on the desk.
椅子上，椅子上，
on the chair,
On the chair.
我的小狗呢？我的小狗呢？
where's my puppy,
Where's my puppy?
在椅子上，在椅子上，
on the chair,
On the chair.
你的小狗在椅子上，你的小狗在椅子上，
your puppy is on the chair,
Your puppy is on the chair.
椅子上有什么？椅子上有什么？
what is there on the chair,
What is there on the chair?
椅子上有一本书，椅子上有一本书，
there is a book on the chair,
There is a book on the chair.
早上，早上，
early morning,
Early morning.
我每天早上6点起床。我每天早上6点起床。
I get up at 6 every morning,
I get up at 6 every morning.
上午，上午，
morning,
Morning.
上午8点我要去学校。上午8点我要去学校。
I have to go to school at 8 in the morning,
I have to go to school at 8 in the morning.
晚上，晚上，
in the evening,
In the evening.
我晚上8点看电视。我晚上8点看电视。
I watch TV at 8 o'clock in the evening,
I watch TV at 8 o'clock in the evening.
上学，上学，
go to school,
Go to school.
他怎么没去上学？他怎么没去上学？
why didn't he go to school,
Why didn't he go to school?
他生病了。他生病了。
he is sick,
He is sick.
上课，上课，
attend class,
Attend class.
时间不早了，我要去上课了。时间不早了，我要去上课了。
it's getting late, I have to go to class,
It's getting late. I have to go to class.
上班，上班，
go to work,
Go to work.
我坐公共汽车去上班。我坐公共汽车去上班。
I take the bus to work,
I take the bus to work.
上网，上网，
surf the internet,
Surf the internet.
他喜欢上网买衣服。 她喜欢上网买衣服。
She likes to buy clothes online.
She likes to buy clothes online.
楼上，楼上，
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
我家楼上住着一位医生。我家楼上住着一位医生。
There is a doctor living upstairs in my house.
There is a doctor living upstairs in my house.
机票上，机票上，
On the ticket.
On the ticket.
机票上写着5月10号。机票上写着5月10号。
The ticket says May 10th.
The ticket says May 10th.
上面，上面，
Above.
Above.
上面写着200元。上面写着200元。
It says 200 yuan.
It says 200 yuan.
这上面没有我的名字。这上面没有我的名字。
I don't have my name on it.
I don't have my name on it.
上个周末。上个周末。
Last weekend.
Last weekend.
上个周末你去哪儿了？上个周末你去哪儿了？
Where did you go last weekend?
Where did you go last weekend?
我跟朋友去看电影。我跟朋友去看电影。
I went to the movies with my friends.
I went to the movies with my friends.
路上。路上。
On the road.
On the road.
路上注意安全。路上注意安全。
Be safe on the road.
Be safe on the road.
你现在在哪儿？你现在在哪儿？
Where are you now?
Where are you now?
我在去机场的路上。我在去机场的路上。
I am on the way to the airport.
I am on the way to the airport.
出租车上。出租车上。
In a taxi.
In a taxi.
我现在在出租车上，10分钟后在饭店见。我现在在出租车上，10分钟后在饭店见。
I'm in the taxi now. See you at the restaurant in 10 minutes.
I'm in the taxi now. See you at the restaurant in 10 minutes.
飞机上。飞机上。
On the airplane.
On the airplane.
在飞机上，爸爸看见他的朋友。在飞机上，爸爸看见他的朋友。
Dad saw his friend on the plane.
Dad saw his friend on the plane.
上火车。上火车。
Go on the train.
Go on the train.
我上火车了，再见。我上火车了，再见。
I'm on the train. Bye.
I'm on the train. Bye.
马上。马上。
Right off. Right away. At once. Immediately.
Right off. Right away. At once. Immediately.
足球比赛马上就要开始了。足球比赛马上就要开始了。
The football game is about to start.
The football game is about to start.
谢谢观看。